it is really important that your plants get a good soaking right now. It's a really good idea to water, especially newer plant material, things that were installed within the last 12 months. It's a really good idea to make sure those go all the way through October and well into November with moisture. It is really, really beneficial to the plant material to go into winter wet, especially if you're trying to develop a healthy root system. If that ground has dried out, it's really hard for those roots to branch off and get rooted in the way that you want that plant to. And it's doubly important for evergreens. Evergreens don't lose their leaves during the winter time, obviously. They stay green. And so, you know, your spruce and your pines and firs and all of those kind of things, they want to make sure that they go into winter with really adequate moisture. Otherwise, they're prone to winter burn and even just leaf loss during the winter time. So that's a really good idea to be doing. Along those lines, we also have a product called Wilt Stop. There's also a product called Wilt Proof on the market. Both of those are what are known as anti-desiccants. So these are things that are going to help seal moisture into the leaf or needle of a plant. So it's really beneficial on things like boxwood, rhododendron, azaleas. If you have areas that are prone to high winter winds, or you've just been seeing a lot of winter burn over the years, or if it was something that was recently planted, Wilt Stop or Wilt Proof is a really good idea. You spray it on, it's a natural product, and it just helps seal the moisture in the leaf. For lack of a better term, it's almost like a varnish, you know, so it just is like providing that extra barrier on the leaf surface to help keep the moisture in the leaf. So it works really well. I don't recommend putting that on really until late November, mid-November, something like that. You want to put it down as late as you possibly can. You know, you can't put it down when it's, you know, below freezing because it's a liquid product and it's just going to freeze up. So, you know, try to get it down as late as you possibly can. Thanks again for watching. Love being with you on a Saturday morning. Hope you get a chance to get outside.